Hi, I've decided to replace my Note 20 Ultra with a new screen protector. It's been 1 year now, and as you can see, if I move carefully, this has been filmed on my Note 20 Ultra. You can see the marks from the S Pen, the fingerprint. The fingerprint's got a lot worse lately, and I'm cleaning it all the time, and the reflections is something I don't like. Now, on my Note 8, I actually have a non-reflective screen, which has been fantastic, but then there was no problems with the fingerprint because the fingerprint was at the back. So I bought these inexpensive matte non-reflective screen protectors, and let's see if they work. Okay, I just got rid of that little mark there. As you can see, the phone wobbles. I forgot about that because I'm doing this obviously without the case, so it does wobble, which doesn't help. These curved glass screen protectors may look nice, but I wish they did a straightforward screen. I think that's it. I better not talk too much whilst I'm doing it, because it'll leave marks. Anyway, let me peel off the top part and see what it would look like. Oh, wow. Do you know what? If it worked, that's quite nice. Do you know what? I'll turn on the phone in a minute. But before I do that, just a couple little scratches. It may be worth, oh, actually, the edges are sticking down by themselves almost. Wow. This is turning out to be, now the edges actually have stuck down. So, be interesting to see. Okay, so, as you can see, there's a few dots, or air bubbles rather, and they may even go by themselves. 24 hours, they say. Now let me just see if the S Pen does leave a mark. But so far, fingerprint's excellent. It feels really nice to use. Okay, it's leaving a little mark, but it may. Okay, I'm going to keep it on for 24 hours, and I'm going to come back to you to see if these marks do go by themselves. Actually, look at that. I'll get rid of that hole by using the pen. Almost. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. Get rid of the... I'm not drawing on the screen, but it looks like I am. Get rid of the bubbles. Okay, let me turn it on. Actually, let's see what it looks like in terms of glare. And actually, I should have, if you look at very carefully, I should have moved it up a fraction more. You see, even though I'm dead on the camera, I could have gone a fraction higher, which would have meant I would have covered that, which would have been better. And at the bottom, it's dead right, actually. To be frank, it really does, it is the right size. And let me just show you. No reflection, which I like. But let's see if I can still, is it as good to use and easy to read? Okay, I'll just open up something on Google News or something. Actually, it feels better than the glass, to be honest, in that respect. And let me have a look to read it. It's great. Actually, this part is impressive. It just basically, it's just as easy to read. In fact, easier. You've got no glare from the lights at all. And, oh, the other thing I got to do is check the fingerprint. Okay, let me unlock the phone. I'll turn it around because I don't want to use the Face ID, and I don't want to use... Look at that, it worked. Second time, but I am doing it at an angle. So fingerprint, no problem. Glare, fantastic. Using the S Pen, let me try something else again. How does it feel writing on it? Plus, I draw using the S Pen. Actually, more of a drag, but that's not a negative actually. No, it feels good. Let's see if it's leaving any marks. I don't know. I press harder, fine. Doing it. And you can see those bubbles now are not even showing up, which actually is quite amazing. It's not bad at all. I mean, at one time I was, wow. Definitely feels different using this, but definitely not very different. There's a big drag. It feels like you're almost on cardboard. That's probably a better example. No, it's yeah, scrolling along, looking good. And if I turn off the screen, let's have a look at the marks. Oh look, just got a few bubbles here. Let me try to get rid of them. This is the actual product. I'm sure you can get it from eBay. I didn't see it on Amazon. These are the claims it makes. No fingerprint, strong, waterproof, fingerprint should work on it, no fingerprints, and definitely not bad. And it's a couple of dollars. And each time I do this, it seems the dots come out. Look at that.